Welcome back, guys, to the channel. So today we got a Typhon 3S, and we're just gonna look what's in the box, what's new about it, and then we're gonna plug in the battery and do a first run. So here's the car, and then you got your tools, you got your spacers for the springs, manual, bind plug, and then you got the remote. So the remote is new. It's the SLT3 Spectrum. So I'm kind of curious how this one is gonna do compared to the old one. And let's take the cover off real quick. So now we got a fan on the motor, and now we got a new motor. It's a Spectrum motor, and we got, you know, the EC5 plug, BLX 100. But also I think the servo is also a Spectrum compared to the other one. So we're gonna plug in the battery. We're gonna be running a 3S, and we're gonna see what this thing is all about. All right, here we go, first run. It's already dirty. Ooh. All right, we're gonna go try it on the track.
You want to go ahead and put the other bag? I got another full battery for that.
I gotta say, I'm really happy with this buggy. This thing is pretty awesome on the track and just as a basher. I think if it has stability, that's all it would need. Other than that, this thing is awesome. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Subscribe down below for more videos, and I'll see you guys next time.